From the experience gained in 30 years of using spherical attachments, Rhine 83 has developed a new spherical shape, attachment with subequatorial retention named OT Equator Profile, the lowest profile attachment on the market. Castable OT Equator Profile. Single attachments for overdenture. For milled bar prothesis, single castable abutment and cast crowns over roots. See catalogue pages 6 to 7. Take an impression of the radicular roots with the castable pins, available in the introductory kit. Proceed with the relining of the pin with self-curing resin. Be careful to remove the pin from the roots before the resin cure. Reduce, if necessary, the base of the castable OT equator attachment. In this way, we will try to save vertical dimension for better aesthetic results without losing retention degree levels. Wax up the root caps and connect the two elements with a drop of cyanoacrylate. The position of the attachment will be set up by using a silicone vestibular mask, and the direction has to be related to the occlusal plane. The wax must be thick enough to allow a perfect finish to the cast cap, using gentle instruments like polishing brushes and rubbers. Use fine-grained investments and alloys with more than 280 Vickers hardness. Sandblast the cast cap. We recommend protection of the surface of the attachment with black lab caps. To remove the oxide from the surface of the attachment, we recommend using glass microspheres, which will finish the surface without damage. Be very careful when polishing and refining the attachment. Thanks to the black cap, the attachment is protected from over-polishing or damage. Do not polish the retentive area of the attachment. At this point, we have two ways to proceed and finish the process. Number 1. Cure the stainless steel casing with the retentive cap directly fitted into the prothesis in the laboratory or in the mouth of the patient. Number 2. Create a cast reinforcement in order to protect the protheses from any damage or invisible cracks. Through the use of prefabricated castable components, it is not necessary to duplicate the model. This allows you to have strong protheses, reducing costs and lab processes. To learn the technique of setting up the reinforcement structure on OT Equator Profile, you can refer to the Connections for Overdenture menu, chapter Cast Reinforcements Without Duplicating. Some solutions. Kit contents castable OT Equator Profile. 2 castable spheres. 2 stainless steel casings for caps. 4 assorted retentive caps, 2 soft, 2 standard. Accessory components and extra tools kit. Parallometer key OT cap Normo 2.5 mm, can also be used for OT Equator Profile. OT Cap Normo Caps Inserter, Micro and OT Equator Profile. Transvert for individual impression holder. Impression transvert. Stainless steel analog for plaster model. OT Equator Profile retentive caps. Violet cap, rigid retention. White cap, standard retention. Pink cap, soft retention. Yellow cap, extra soft retention. Black cap, only for laboratory use. Thanks to the different degrees of retention level, you can adjust the stability of the prothesis. OT Equator Profile retentive caps must only be used with stainless steel casing.